How to fix a cracked phone screen on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can fix a cracked phone screen on your Android phone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you actually have a cracked phone screen on your Android device, you might just want to go ahead and then check whether you have any type of tempered glass or plastic that you've installed from outside. So basically you could have your screen protector, right? So it could be that only the screen protector is cracked and not the whole glass itself. So you just want to make sure to go ahead and then try to check if you have screen protectors. I'm sure you know how to do that. The other thing is, if your screen is cracked in and of itself, keep in mind that your phone is comprised of two things: hardware and software. If it's a software issue, you can always fix it by yourself, maybe by resetting it, maybe by updating it, or whatever else you can do. But the hardware issue actually includes hardware components such as the LCD screen, your speakers, your phone case, and everything else. Those are basically called hardware, such as cameras and all. So if you want to fix that, basically you have to take it to a nearby repair shop and then you have to ask them to change and replace the LCD screen for you. There's no way that you can actually fix the LCD screen yourself unless you're an expert and you know how to actually figure out, remove the screens and then put it back on again. I wouldn't recommend you do that. You're only going to damage your phone. The thing I'd recommend you to do is just take it to a nearby shop possible, then ask them what the issue really is. If it's a hardware issue, they have to fix it. If it's a software issue, you can do so yourself. Hope this video helped you answer the question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.